Physical Education and Health 11. Lesson 3. Self-assessment, health-related participation, and one's diet, fitness status, barriers to physical activity assessment.
Fitness and physical fitness assessment. Fitness is defined as a state of good health or physical condition, primarily as a result of exercise and proper nutrition, while physical fitness assessments are defined to give individualized feedback regarding one's overall fitness status and or physiological reaction to physical activity effort. Health-related fitness focuses mainly on the optimum health of the individual. There are the five major components of health-related fitness. First, cardiorespiratory endurance. Second, body composition. Third, muscular strength. Fourth, muscular endurance. And lastly, flexibility.
Main components of health-related fitness. First is the cardiovascular respiratory endurance. Second is the muscular fitness. Third is the body composition. Cardiovascular respiratory endurance or aerobic power. The ability of the circulatory and respiratory system to send oxygen to muscles over an extended period. Muscular fitness. There are three types of muscular fitness. First is the muscular strength. Second is the muscular endurance, and the last one is the flexibility. Muscular strength refers to the single maximum amount of force a muscle can exert against some resistance. Muscular endurance refers to the capacity to move one's body or an object without tiring. Flexibility refers to the ability to move a joint smoothly through its complete range of motion that allows a person to do bending movements without incoming injury. Body composition refers to the measurement of body fat and muscle mass in the body. Example, body mass index or BMI. Body mass index is a measure of body fat and is commonly used within the health industry to determine whether your weight is healthy. To solve for your BMI, you must follow the formula. Body composition. For example, height is 1.8 meter, weight is 75 kilogram. And solve it. Solution. BMI equals 75 divided by open parenthesis 1.8 close parenthesis squared. And next, BMI equals 75 divided by 3.24. And then BMI equals 23.15. Remember, first, 25 to 29.9 is considered overweight. And the second, over 30 is considered obese. And the last one is normal BMI is between 18.5 and 24.9. Note that the standard normal BMI differs from age group and sex. Self-assessment. Self-assessment helps people to determine their fitness level by evaluating their assessment results. Stress assessment. There are four types of assessment: resting heart rate, breathing pattern, respiratory rate, stress meter. Resting heart rate. Equipment, stopwatch or clock. Instructions. Make sure that your body has been relaxed for at least 30 minutes. Then find your pulse either on your wrist or on your neck. For 60 seconds or 1 minute, count the number of beats you feel. That will be your resting heart rate. Breathing pattern. Equipment. Chair with a backrest. Instruction. Sit on the chair, making sure that your back is flat against the back of the chair. Your palm should be on your abdomen covering your navel, while your other hand should be on the upper part of the chest just above your heart. Observe your breathing for a minute or two. Observe your hands as you breathe in and out. Respiratory rate instructions. Count the number of the natural, effortless, breathless you take in a minute. Breathe as normal and as natural as possible. Each inhalation and exhalation cycle is considered one breath. The number of breaths you take in 1 minute is called your respiration rate. Record the total number of breaths you take per minute. Stress-o-meter. Instructions. Recall the events that happened to you over the past 2 weeks. Include all your waking moments. Use the stress-o-meter to rate your day-to-day experiences from 1 to 10.